Alright guys, welcome back to Walden's World. Finally got this motor put together and washing it off a little bit. It's been sitting under the pine tree. Still got a couple of things to do. I think the alignment was out. Looks like one of the wheels is towed out. Fixed the emergency brake on it, and guess I'll need my screwdriver. I gotta do something with this. That ain't gonna work. Other than that, pretty straight little rig. Let's see if she starts up. Alright, out of gear. We did crank rods, pistons, all that stuff. Sounds like I still got a valve ticket. Let's check that out. Anyway, like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Y'all have a good day.